Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the default home launcher on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So your tablet has two pre-installed launchers. One is the system launcher and the other one is the game launcher, and then they can be switched by simply switching this toggle to the left to enter your game launcher, or to the right to enter the system launcher. And yeah, the launcher can be set in settings. However, the launcher setting in the settings menu, it kind of conflicts with the toggle. So the toggle is pretty much static, and it only works one way. So switch to the left game mode, to the right system mode. And if we go to the apps menu, then default apps, then home launcher, we can of course switch the default launcher to the game launcher, but then if we switch the toggle to the left, the game launcher will once again turn on, and if we switch the toggle to the right, it will be disabled. And now if we go back to settings, the system launcher once again will be the default one. So yeah, so basically this toggle overrides system settings. However, if you want to use a different launcher, so if you want to use a third-party application as a launcher, then you can easily download it and replace your system launcher with it. Now, to do that, you just have to go to your Play Store and search for a launcher you want to download. So for example, Niagara launcher, let's install it. And now we don't have to open it, just go to settings, then go to apps, then go to default apps, home app, and let's change it to Niagara launcher. And let's see if it will conflict with the game launcher. So right now we are in the Niagara launcher, and let's switch to the game one. Okay, so we are in the game launcher, and switch to the right will actually switch us to the Niagara, back to Niagara instead of the system one. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And now to switch your launcher back, just swipe down the control center, open settings from here, then go back to apps, and then default apps, then home app, and let's change Niagara launcher to system launcher. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.